shiny and clean. When the skies turn dark, if you know what I mean. Thunder started rumbling, hell came down fast. Now your hood and roof looking rough from the blast. Golf ball hail, ice from the sky. Looking at your car like, oh me, oh my. Don't you worry, don't you stress, don't you feel the pain. We fix dents without repainting, factory finish stays the same. Caught in the recent hailstorm, we got the fix, don't sound alarm. Big dents, small dents, roof and hood, we'll make that ride look mighty good. Hailstorm, hailstorm, what it do to you, what it do to you. Caught in the recent hailstorm, now what you gonna do? Now what you gonna do? Call today, we'll make it right, bring your car back to life. Oh yeah, what we gonna do? We'll make them dents disappear like they never came through. Oh yeah, what we gonna do? We'll make them dents disappear like they never came through. Well, you know the name, another flawless repair like it never came. Door dings, L hits, we repair it all. From the tiny little dents to the big hood fall. No paint, no fillers, no body shop break. Most repairs done fast, don't hesitate. State-of-the-art, like tools in our hand. 30 years strong, best in the land. Insurance approved, yeah, we help there too. And remember one thing, the choice is up to you. We can help. Real hell got you down. We can help. We want the factory finish, we can help. We can help. 5315 703 614